esiye ewo East Legon na enam soma enkwala mienu hwere omonkwa no sa accident we yeduadue mu ne ehun se sa na sofopani Archbishop Salifu Amoako na esechire na enam sa akwanhia yinsunti Salifu Amoako ne yere ekopiem wo court ama judge anase tembuafo no emomo bail of 50,000 Ghana cedis each. Every courtroom wo Salifu Amoako ababonten abesu apagana for cho so monfa ne banen funso enche na as a matter of fact asema atono no o chiremu a ohu emu chire na asem no ebro no so
abusianfo asema tomo mumma efrimu me Salifu Amoako na me kasai mesrem amohu me mabo na die sibia no awrade encheche more na di mesra busuafo no two side no se moncheche more awrade nhyemoden awrade mama hoden mesra Ghana fo nyina se omonso asofo ewo Ghana anywhere se nyina mompa abusuafo chew emame I can't explain myself. Mean to me explain me ho asam na atome no bedwene ho ansisi so masua ma meni ahode a mede be so biom enti mesre busuafo nyina I'm begging the family, the entire family, say monchiche more erade mama hoden erade ensustain mu erade mamu that courage enti mesre na masha busuafo den enkwala na maame enkwala no papa mom be strong
ekoto social media so a all patch no the following day na so na ebusuafo so no Vigil ahye so ama nkwala mafiri me ka Vigil ya na akoye se bookkeeping na ebusuafo no ene adofo eye ma nkwala menu a omo efiri mi enam se ne omo sha na fe omuwu no so no eye yawso no ntino ebusuafo no ka bomu e de jumedi we e hye so na as a matter of fact eye fe na nsem e course e wo Vigil yase e na pesa me de somo
Yeah, fine guess in one again. Try out. Oh, fine guess in one again.
I'm senior school. Into my many boy, my juniors. Into maybe teach internet winner it's you know. Biancasa, Nam Manjeni. And then they say Ghana Nangasano. Will be to repeat fake news or internet and say, oh, where I say. Into me, some bad say now, Belgium, Destiny, and I made two pounds. Enough for it.
And 2 years senior, you say, Umi and me free me, Sena at here. As it's new chair, when we go school now, be now open cow.
So I can't cry, and yes, yes, Monday say I go school. Obedience me, uncontrolled. Nay, in the years, say, Yaw now, if some woman too young say, more free and chances here. If say, yes, I young ones, say, will be free and chance here. Yeah, no, you come. Yeah, no,
for Mommy Jumo and Justina. We are crying. But Father, you will wipe away every tear from our eyes. by the comfort of the Holy Spirit. Holy Spirit, comfort us, strengthen us. All because we do not carry everything to God. Jesus knows our every weakness. Jesus knows our every weakness. Take it to the Lord in prayer.
The students, can you also follow in line with your flags?
Na ebusia issues yi bae no amanfo kire se e wo se Salifu Amoako ba no ye jaili no but emran so kire se akwala no ndi 16 years ye inti court intumi ntena akwala undi 16 years asem so endi ni sa eno ya adwenkyera nkofo ede bae na afeni so ekire mu se e wo se ye chi Salifu Amoako ene ne yere edi omutum ibi so kra kire se e wo se ye mbo omoka fi se eden na enkola newu na afi akwansha no so no enya ade a abrante ne share da se okonya sa akwansha no nemu no eye nkolasem anase eye agrodie na abofra no ede such an expensive car edi agro na kofa esan we anasa kofa sa atwenchem we aba nebusia mesaka nia emra no eka na moma yentie de madamfo yi ewode mayen.
A popular Ghanaian prophet's son has ended the life of 2 people in a serious accident. According to reports, he is just 16, and how should you be driving when you are just 16? What does the law say? Now, you'll be disappointed to know that nothing really serious can happen to this child. However, it's theoretically possible to shift blames from the child to the parent. Before we enter into that, to the family, you have every right to sue the child and the parents for loss of life expectancy. Aaron West from Kisi Ejaben, he stated that everyone is destined or fated to die one day. Therefore, every instance of killing is an instance of accelerating one's death, and you should be sued for that. Now, Ghana's life expectancy as of 2022 is 63.80 years. We are expected to live up to 63 years. You crash into me, you end my life. Who is going to take care of my family? How is my family going to survive? And that is why they have every right to sue you. And yes, the court would compensate them. But this same incident actually happened in Tema Community 8, where an electrical engineer was standing along a gutter. The car crashed into him and ended his life. As of 2012, the court awarded the family of the deceased 120,000 Ghana cedis, that is in the old currency, 1.2 billion, as compensation for loss of life expectancy. So it's highly possible to sue them. See a lawyer. Now to the pastor's child. According to Section 53 of the Road Traffic Act of Ghana, Act 683, it is an offense to drive a vehicle without driver's license, and once you are 16, you have not acquired the age for being granted a license. Anyone who drives without a driver's license will be jailed for 12 months. Secondly, dangerous driving. It is an offense to drive dangerously on the road. And the CCTV footage is a clear evidence of a reckless and a dangerous driving. When a dangerous driving causes death, the driver, which in this case is the pastor's son, would have to be jailed for 3 years. But guys, disappointedly, you cannot jail a child. The only punishment available is to either fine the child, the parents, or send the child to Inkolaboni school, that is the correctional center. And according to Section 46 of the Juvenile Act, in a case where the child is 16 years, you cannot detain the child in correctional center for more than 6 months, except he has committed serious offense, which would elapse to 3 years, and this offense does not fall under a serious offense. Fortunately, the law would be friendly to this is 6-year-old boy. To the parents, you could be jailed for 25 years. Well, this information is very expensive.
Ede abre na menim se emu eda ho mesoso do adwen kire ebeto de ama ene hu hawa usifa gisa ensem ya ekoso yi na fe mesrel subscribe my page ni mi adoma no so ma me se na me upload bia so na unsa betima ka me ma room fin so be follow me all the other social media platforms so ho nyina so no too much gh Mcbrown.